Amazon product must have. This multifunction dish drying rack saves space and keeps everything organized. Plates, cups, and utensils. This foldable hook holds heavy weight and folds away when not in use. Perfect space-saving hack. This isn't just a lamp. It lights up your room and charges your phone. Perfect desk upgrade. A lamp that charges. This 20-ounce teddy bear cup makes every drink look cute. Perfect for coffee, smoothies, and your aesthetic setup. This clip-on pot strainer drains water in seconds. No mess, no extra bowl, no more sink mess, just clip. Amazon product must have. No space for laundry. This collapsible basket pops open when you need it and folds flat to save space. This pull-out rack slides out and organizes everything in seconds. Hidden kitchen upgrade. One charger for everything, iPhone, watch, AirPods, all powered in one clean setup. Clean desk upgrade Apple users need. This 360-degree retractable leash gives your dog freedom and you full control. Walk your dog the smart way. This 4-in-1 travel bottle stores everything in one leak-proof design. This foldable Pilates board gives you a full-body workout at home. Your home gym starts here. This defrosting tray speeds it up. No microwave, no mess. Defrost faster, cook sooner. No more waiting.